pre-K. Today we're going to find out what's inside of this apple. We're going to really look at this apple and learn some things about apples. The outside of the apple has this beautiful shiny skin. All apples have skin. Some have green skin, some have red skin, but the outside covering is called the skin. A lot of people peel the skin off the apple because they don't like to eat the skin. You can do that too. But every apple has a stem. That's what attaches it to the tree. Because apples grow on trees, and the stem is what attaches it to the tree. So I'm going to cut this apple in two. That's called cutting it in half. Cut it into pieces. Oh, it's a hard apple to cut. Whoa, there we go. Look inside this apple. There is something hiding in there. Two little apple seeds, and there's an apple seed on this half too. The apple seeds, if you plant them, an apple tree will grow. So inside the apple there's seeds, and the seeds are inside the flesh of the apple, and that's the part that everybody likes to eat, the flesh. So we have the skin, the stem, and the flesh. I've got it in how many pieces? You're right, 2 pieces. I've cut it in half. I can cut it again, in half again, and in half again. It's a hard apple to cut. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. There's a seed right there. I'm going to take it out. And there's a seed here. There's 2 seeds. Let's see if I can get this other seed out. It's kind of hiding underneath. Most apples have about 4 seeds in them. I'm trying to hunt down these 4 seeds. Here's one more. It's a tiny, teeny, tiny seed. 2, 3, 4. So I have, whoops, 4 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little teeny baby seed and 3 bigger seeds. That's what's inside of an apple. You can cut an apple in half this way. I cut it in half this way. But if you cut it in half this way, there's something in the middle. A star. Look at that star. There's a star in the middle. Cut it in half the other way, it looks a little bit more like a heart shape. Last year we painted with apples. And that will be a fun thing to do sometime at school. Okay, that's what's inside my apples. Now I have to go and eat these apples. Take my mask off and eat these yummy apples.